Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to another video from TW White & Sons. So here we have a RAV4 XL hybrid electric vehicle. This is an absolutely awesome bit of kit in beautiful condition, which we took in part exchange against one of our CX-60s. I'll be honest, we were going to sort of sell it off to a Toyota dealer, but we're a little bit short on stock, and I'm very, very impressed by it. It's got a full GEMCA service history. I think it's got every accessory known to a RAV4, and it's in beautiful condition. So I'm going to take lots of photos. Please do check them out. It's wearing crossed climate tyres. It's all-wheel drive, Michelin tyres, beautiful sort of grey colour. As I say, it does belong on GEMCA Toyota's forecourt, but hey ho, we have it. So get yourself a bargain. We're a Mazda dealer, so we won't be asking Toyota prices. You've got an enormous boot. Look at that, massive JBL sound system. Absolutely beautiful. You've got the auto tailgate. These nice accessories here to stop the doors edges. The little wind deflectors. Look, rubber mats. I've never seen so many accessories. Step boards. These chrome bits here. Absolutely beautiful and drives so well. So this is a self-charging hybrid. You don't get many of these. Mostly the big cars are sort of plug-in. Hope I've got that right. But yeah, what a lovely car. Very, very impressed. You've got blind spot monitoring. You've got electric seats, heated. Look at that. 360 camera. Check that out. How do you get the volume down? There we go. Got the volume down there. Look, it's on 59,650 miles. One owner car. Yeah. Full GEMCA service history, which they got printed out for us. Yeah. Last serviced 2,000 miles ago on the 12th of August. Okay. So I've got all the service history here. I asked them to get it printed because I know it's a digital record. But look, all here. Yeah. GEMCA Toyota. All right, they actually live near me in and around the Coulsdon area. We're in Orpington. But yeah, climate control. I say all-wheel drive, electric handbrake, 360 camera. What else have we got here? Audio. Let's check out the audio sources. What have we got? AM, FM, DAB, Bluetooth, Miracast. That's I think a kind of like CarPlay. Really, really well spec'd vehicle. Auto lights, wipers. It's even got, look at this little thing here you lift to turn the engine on, like a jet fighter. I really like that. I'd normally pinch that if I had a Toyota. That's a brilliant accessory. I really like that. Cup holders. Interior is beautiful. Big massive roof that opens. JBL sound system. I'm repeating myself now. It's been paint protected. That's probably why it looks so good. Okay, we also offer a ceramic coating service. Built-in sat nav. Auto dimming mirror. The list goes on. So if you want a bargain, because this is this will be, obviously we're not going to be Toyota prices. And if you want something that's in absolutely beautiful condition, that's clearly been, I would say, enthusiast owned, look no further. We've got 2 keys, I say full history, 1 owner, lovely condition. The car will come with a year's warranty as well. We're a Mazda dealer. We sell new and used Mazdas. We'll put this through our workshop. Anything that requires doing shall be done, and it will carry a year's warranty with a year's roadside assistance, which is European cover and home start. Okay, obviously part exchange is massively welcome, regardless of what you have, make, model, age, condition, mileage. We want your part exchange. Let's give you that seamless, enjoyable buying experience. Yeah, I know there's a lot of hype out there about selling your car online and all that sort of stuff. Let's be the one-stop shop. Okay, we've got wonderful finance facilities. Please do inquire for full T's and C's, warranty extension facilities, etc., etc. We are here to help. Okay. So please do hit that notification button. Our stock changes literally by the minute. However, we don't get many Toyota RAV4s, so I'm quite excited about this. I think this is a fantastic car. Okay, we're a 7-day-a-week business. We don't mind responding out of hours, so get in touch. Let's see what we can do. If it's out of hours and you want to give us a call, leave a voicemail, we will call you back. All right. Alternatively, you know, drop us an email, etc., etc. All right. So hit that notification button, like, subscribe, comment and share, and do subscribe to our channel and look at our reviews, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.